Hi, welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is June the 9th, 2026. Let me share my screen for the agenda. All right. Can you see my screen? Yes. Okay. I don't have a lot of items today, so that's why I was asking if you want to add something. Lenit, as I said, I left open something. Yes, to speak about your project. Want me to share this here? If you want to speak about, whoa, nice.
Yeah, thank you. Honestly, I was not going to present anything.
Sorry, seeing you.
But if you think it's a good idea and we have no more topics, then yeah, why not? So this link, this share link is both a set of articles. Initially, these articles were only about SBOB and Kubescape for my Java colleagues, but I just wanted to add some code snippets that Java guys would understand, and they turned into a POC library that can restrict things per thread and per process from inside of an application, and also it can profile any system calls also per thread, which means you can very granularly profile any method. And of course, you can generate SBOB with all stack trace information and all system calls and their parameters, everything. It's very much POC at this point, and these articles are mostly about this library at this moment. So yeah, if you have any feedback regarding code or articles, I would be really happy to hear from you. And yeah, that's
Okay, so basically you already wrote all those articles?
Yeah.
Ooh, I will definitely read them. I like this one. That's actually a very nice use case of the ahead of time compilation.
Actually, honestly, it's one of the biggest discoveries for me that ahead of time is not just fast, it's so much more secure. Like everything that is related to ahead of time and lack of reflection fundamentally is just so much better for security.
Yeah. Yeah, but when you do the compilation, you have to make sure you don't forget to tell the compiler that you need also this library and this library. Otherwise, it will like just drop them. I remember.
Yeah, yeah. And what's also important, excessive parts will be removed by compiler during that code elimination phase. That's really important also to reduce attack service.
Yeah, very nice. I will definitely like share these articles with some fellow Java developers, and I think that's great.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm not sure that it's all correct. That is why it's also being reviewed by my colleagues at HEPAM. But the issue is that they seem to be on the edge of backend and app security, and backend guys say, hey, that's cool, but really we don't fully understand it, so we cannot make good comments. And security guys also are saying, well, that's probably is cool, but it's not really what we do. So far it's been really challenging to get meaningful feedback.
Yeah. Nice. I mean, I'm not entirely sure. It has to belong to Kubescape, but I like the idea of the testing. So, I mean, if you need feedback from us, welcome to Kubescape. But it could be. I mean, it probably should be a project of its own. But let's see. Maybe we can help with cross-pollination with Kubescape and this, and make sure both projects like grow together. I don't know. Yeah,
That would be really nice.
yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Very cool. Thank you. I don't know if there are other Java developers in the chat. I mean, in this Zoom today.
Me.
Probably not. No,
Oh,
you don't count Rotem.
Not currently, but I still have my. Anyway.
Okay,
so you can also like Matthias and
I'll check it out. Yeah. I'll check that
out. Also, it's important to say that this library is for Java only because I am comfortable. Well, it's in Kotlin really, but it's a JVM library, and it's for JVM only because I'm comfortable with it. But the library itself is about Linux really. So if it leaves, I think it can be ported to almost everything except for Go, because well, Go routines are genius, but in this case, they are not. You cannot contain them in a similar way.
Okay. Something like this. I mean, if it's not corrected, you can edit the comment. But
yeah. Thank you very much.
Cool. Very nice. As you say, it's such a shame that Constance is not here. Oh, Bez. Hello, Bez.
Hi. How you doing?
Nice. And you? Gonna copy my name up. Did you do Java before?
I did Java.
Okay, nice. So, I mean, you will have to check this out as well. Please meet Leonid. Leonid is doing some very interesting research on securing JVM-based workloads, and he did like a very nice job, like doing a POC, some articles explaining code snippets and stuff. So you should check this. And if you have like a fellow Java friends, also share with them.
What you're trying to research on?
So, Leonid, maybe you can.
Yes. So my initial idea was to explain what SBOB is or going to be, and what Kubescape is to my Java colleagues. And I wanted also to add some code snippets for them. And these code snippets turned into this library. And basically, it's about restricting application from inside the application by process and by threads, and also about profiling them. Well, it's intended mostly for integration tests, I think. And that way you can also generate SBOBs per each method with stack traces, with system calls, with the parameters, well, with all the details that are available to Linux. And yeah, that way you can reuse them in Kubescape or whatever tool you have that can do SBOB.
Okay, so it's like injecting some jar file into your Java application in order to create the SBOB, the behavioral view.
Oh, well, that's the profiler part, and enforcer part is just about wrapping your threads with some constraints. For example, that so yeah, your application is running in a process, and you can enforce this process to not spawn a new process. And you can enforce other threads to, for example, not use network or not use file system operations, something like this.
Okay. Interesting.
It will be based, at least right now, it's based on pool threads, thread pools, because, well, I think it's the safest and easiest way to do this. It's not probably going to work with Go. Well, only on process level, but if he wants to limit process, there are other tools for that. So maybe it's not worth to use this particular approach. Java's Loom also will not work with this approach, and maybe it's for the best, really. I'm not sure, because with it, it will be really complicated to understand what each virtual thread is doing and is capable of doing. That might be too much of cognitive overhead.
So it's not only about profiling, but about blocking and alerting.
Yes.
Yeah, enforcing, yes.
Right, enforcing.
From inside of application. So application could enforce itself to do only limited amount of things.
Okay. So I saw above the eBPF reference. Is it using eBPF or not?
No. It's using seccomp and Ventilog. Both do not need privileges. It needs some tweaking of containers, of container profile, but it doesn't need privileges.
I think it's really interesting.
It's really interesting. It's really interesting. I'm just wondering if an attacker will be able to change the bulb, the build of material.
No, you cannot, because the SBOB is signed. Will be signed. So if an attacker changes the SBOB, you don't have the expected signature, and you don't start the application, and that's it.
By attacker, I mean something in the like a developer. It has a developer access. Okay.
I think maybe theoretically it would be possible, but that would be so much harder than it is right now.
Okay.
Like you really would have
what's
to.
the next stage? What's your next steps?
To get feedback basically from people who can understand this, because mostly the problem is that because it's kind of on the edge, developers are seeing lots of DevOps things, and they say, well, that's cool, but good luck. We don't really understand this. And DevOps also say, well, it's kind of from our field, but we are not backend developers, so good luck with that.
Okay.
So I just realized that probably perfect fit is AppSec, but these people seem to be rare, and I'm searching for feedback from them, because I really need for I myself am a Java developer also, so I don't want to teach people about security, not being an expert in security, and for that reason, for now, I'm just looking for feedback from people who really can see through it.
Okay, so do you want a feedback about the Mazewell project or about the Kubescape integration?
Mazewell
today
and
there is no real Kubescape integration. But since it's something that we discussed together, we continue to use Kubescape meetings to discuss about it, because there could be an integration actually.
Okay.
yeah, I believe it could be really, really beneficial. Maybe they really could work together, and in a perfect world, if there is in-app restrictions, Kubescape could see it and reuse it, hopefully. I wasn't digging into that, but would be nice.
Okay, I will take a look.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Next item, FX update. So mentees have been announced. One of them is Yugal, who is here.
Yes.
Congratulations, Yugal. You want to present yourself?
Thank you very much. Yes. So I've been selected for the security exceptions one. I've started the work on it. I had seen that some of the PRs that have been merged on it had some issues. So I've opened some bugs on that. But I will start fixing those and we'll move on from there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we also have Sunshit. Well, I think it's the second mentee, right? If it's the same Sunshit.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
So I've been
Welcome.
selected
You want to
as a
present
mentee.
yourself, Sunshit?
Yes. So I've been selected as a mentee for the second project, which is the integration from Rego to CL and making the CL engine. So I have also been looking into the PRs as you said yesterday, and found some bugs, but they were basically the skeleton which they made for the CL engine. It was not the actual. There was not actual evaluation for the CL, and I have been finding some. There was 2-3 bugs also. The integration test was also not fulfilled, and I will open bugs. I will open issues for the same so that we can work upon it.
Great. So really happy to have you both. So I will contact you like privately in the chat to set up like a weekly meeting.
Yes.
And then yeah, we will try to coordinate. We have until the end of August, I think, to deliver something. And the first checkpoint is July something for the LFX. But I mean, don't worry. You concentrate on the project and the coding, delivering high quality PRs, and yeah, we will do the housekeeping. But thank you very much for joining us, and congrats on
Thank
being
you very
chosen.
much.
Thank you.
Bess, do you have an agenda item to add? Because when I asked you, you were not here. So
Nothing.
okay. Let me still here. Autumn, you have something before we jump to the triage? No, okay.
No, very good.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna jump into the triage. If you wanna stay, you can stay. If you wanna leave, you can leave. And we'll anyway see each other in 2 weeks.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Matthias.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thanks,
Bye.
Matthias.
Thank you.
I'll drop as well.
Goodbye.
Thanks.
Okay. Let's see. A bug. Oh, yeah, there is already a PR for this one. Yeah. Accepted. Yeah, this one also there is a PR. No, there will be a PR. Okay. Yeah. So this morning, nice. It's good when people find issues and.
Yes. So
Okay, so
this.
that's the one that you created like yeah, just before. Nice. I will read it.
Yes.
Or you want to discuss this right here or?
Yes, we discussed in Slack as the types were under have to be under V1 beta 1, but I think the merged code has under V1. I saw in a headlamp plugin and other repos it was under V1 beta 1, so I thought it was good to go with that. So we'll change it to V1 beta 1, I think.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Okay, when you think about it, it's a bit like stupid to go with V1 beta 1 everywhere, but the problem is like if you want to change the V1, it's impossible. So
Yeah.
so let's keep everything beta like we do like the Google like 20 years ago.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. And this is
So currently the feature is not working at all because of these bugs. Address these before we start with the implementation.
okay. That's strange. Never reads final. Nice. I know who wrote this code. So.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. Okay, let's see some PRs. Well, I did already a few this morning, so this one is mine. Supposed to merge it. I think it was the last one in this. We added image attestation, all the components.
Am I audible?
Hello. Hi, Arshit. You want to speak about this?
Yes. You asked me to make this pull request independent of the PR 2055. So should I just like I worked on upon the changes of which Shreya made.
So should I disregard her changes and fix the issue from the scratch?
Yeah, I mean, just make sure that this pull request works standalone, and I will close the old one.
Yeah, I'll test the fix again and update it in the PR. I didn't understand whether should I like stash her code and fix the issue from the scratch, or working on top of her changes would be fine.
As you prefer, as long as it works.
Okay.
Why is it failing? Ah.
Yeah, lint is failing there. I will see this.
Go thumbed. No. So annoying. Okay, just drop df. But otherwise, like if I merge this one, it's the whole fix, right?
Yeah, the suggestions you made, I fixed that which she wasn't responding to. But regardless, I'll test it once again, just a sanity check, whether everything is fixed or not. Update via comment in the PR.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Look into this one. Yeah, I know why we have this one. So we just announced a partnership with I think that's the site. Yeah. So it's another startup, and they are working on like CVE-less images. And now we announced that we are like working together to make sure that the findings that we have in KubeVern and on the Armo UI, that they are aligned with the CV advisories that this company does. So we announced, and now we need to finish the work. So that's why this one is open. That's the blog post. Yeah. Okay. Check that as well. And he's not here, but thanks to what's his name? Oh, I don't remember. We migrated the whole Rigo library to Rigo V1 finally. And once we do a release of the Rigo library, we can like drop support for Rigo V0 and use the stable Rigo inside instead. Very nice. This one is waiting. This one is in review. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and those are like old ones from Google, some proposals. We will look at them once we finish the LFX, because there might be other projects.
We had some discussion with Bezel, I think, in this PR. He was asking for schema, a Python script to change the schema of the VEX.
Okay.
We had some conversation regarding that.
Yeah, nice.
Yes.
Too bad. Well, he said fine by me. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I will probably merge it and leave it in the design and proposal, and then we can like rework it when we have more time, like probably after the summer.
Yes, yes.
Very good. And this as well. Okay, cool. Well, I think that's it for this week. Thank you very much for joining and for being active in the community. I really appreciate it. See you in 2 weeks. Hope you're well. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.